Assalamualaikum and good morning. First of all is the introduction. Description on general work task and activity. Mr. Kamal, 27, works as a parking management officer at Nexus Resident. His job involves both desk tasks and resident interaction, giving him frequent movement. Main duties: access control, customer service, and parking surveillance. The objectives of this assessment are threefold. 1. To identify and evaluate risks affecting office employees. 2. To measure the level of exposure to workplace risk factors. 3. To provide suitable recommendations to reduce ergonomic strain. Mr. Kamal performs several routine tasks. First, uses a monitor to display data. Second, types data using a keyboard. Third, uses a mouse to assist in data entry. Lastly, communicates with residents or tenants via telephone. These tasks involve repetitive hand and arm movements, prolonged sitting, and potential awkward postures. Methods and instruments used to conduct the assessment. The following tools were utilized: a handphone to observe and record real-time posture and task execution, a goniometer to measure joint angles and identify awkward postures, the ROSA checklist, a standardized tool to evaluate office ergonomics and quantify risk levels. In this section, I will present the results of the Rapid Office Strain Assessment conducted for Mr. Kamal. The evaluation focuses on key ergonomic components of his workstation, including seating, monitor, phone, keyboard, and mouse usage. Each component was scored using the ROSA method to determine the level of ergonomic risk. The first component assessed was the chair, specifically the seat pan, height, and depth. The chair score was 8, indicating a high ergonomic risk. This suggests that Mr. Kamal's seating arrangement may contribute to discomfort or musculoskeletal strain, particularly due to inadequate support or improper adjustment. Monitor and phone usage. Next, we evaluated the positioning and usage of the monitor and telephone. The monitor and phone score was 4, reflecting a moderate risk level. This may be due to monitor height or frequent neck rotation while using the phone, which can lead to upper body strain. Mouse and keyboard. Assessment. The third area assessed was the mouse and keyboard setup. The mouse and keyboard score was 5, indicating moderate ergonomic risk. This score reflects repetitive risks, movements, and potentially poor hand positioning, which could contribute to strain over time. Peripherals and monitor integration. We then examined the alignment between input devices and visual display. The peripherals and monitor score was 5, again indicating moderate risk. This highlights the need for better coordination between monitor, keyboard, and mouse placement to reduce awkward postures. Grand ROSA score. Finally, we calculated the overall ergonomic risk using the ROSA matrix. The Grand ROSA score was 8, which is considered high risk. This comprehensive score confirms that Mr. Kamal's workstation setup requires immediate ergonomic intervention to prevent long-term health issues. To conclude this assessment, we summarize the key findings and recommendations derived from the ergonomic evaluation of Mr. Kamal's workstation at Nexus Residency. Parking management. The assessment produced a high ROSA score of 8, which indicates a significant risk of musculoskeletal strain. This score reflects multiple ergonomic concerns across seating, monitor placement, and input device usage. Based on this result, it is clear that the workstation requires further evaluation and the implementation of corrective measures to reduce ergonomic hazards and improve occupational comfort. Key recommendations include providing a document holder to reduce neck flexion, delivering posture training to promote healthy sitting habits, supplying adjustable chairs to support proper lumbar alignment, encouraging short stretching breaks to minimize discomfort during prolonged tasks. Overall, the objectives of the assessment were successfully met. The ROSA tool proved to be an effective method for identifying risks and guiding practical improvements in office environments. Thank you.